Welcome back to Auto Insight, your trusted source for the latest and most exciting updates in the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic and legendary hypercars ever made, the Bugatti Veyron. But this isn't just any Veyron. We're talking about the 2026 Canadian Edition, the latest evolution of a car that redefines speed, luxury, and engineering excellence. The Bugatti Veyron, when it first launched in the early 2000s, shattered all expectations. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement. It combined raw power with cutting-edge technology and a level of craftsmanship that only a handful of manufacturers in the world can match. Fast forward to 2026, and Bugatti has taken this legacy to a new level. This new Veyron is not just a tribute to its predecessors but a bold step forward into the future of hypercars. Starting with the design, Bugatti has maintained the signature silhouette that fans have come to love: sleek, aerodynamic, and unmistakably aggressive. But this 2026 model brings a fresh new face to the lineup, featuring sharper lines, enhanced airflow channels, and a more refined aerodynamic package. The body is crafted from ultra-lightweight carbon fiber reinforced with new advanced composites, giving it unmatched rigidity while significantly reducing weight. This makes the car not only faster but also more agile on the road and track. Under the hood, the 2026 Bugatti Veyron boasts a monstrous quad-turbocharged W16 engine, now refined to produce a staggering 1,600 horsepower, up from the previous generation's already insane output. This powertrain is paired with an advanced 9-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, ensuring lightning-fast gear shifts and maximum efficiency. The all-wheel drive system has been recalibrated to provide optimal traction, whether you're launching from a standstill or pushing the car to its limits on a winding road. Acceleration is nothing short of mind-blowing. The 2026 Veyron rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.1 seconds, edging closer to hypercar rivals and making it one of the fastest accelerating cars ever produced. Top speed. Bugatti is targeting an electronically limited maximum of 270 miles per hour to ensure safety and maintain reliability, but the engineering behind this beast hints at even more potential if unleashed. But it's not just about raw speed. Bugatti has also focused heavily on driving dynamics and comfort. The suspension system uses adaptive dampers with real-time road surface scanning technology, delivering a perfect balance between racetrack sharpness and highway smoothness. The braking system has been upgraded with carbon ceramic discs paired with a new regenerative braking technology that not only improves stopping power but also recovers energy to boost efficiency. Inside the cabin, Bugatti continues its tradition of unmatched luxury and craftsmanship. The interior is a blend of ultra-premium materials including hand-stitched leather, polished aluminum, and open-pore wood trim. Each car is highly customizable, allowing buyers to select bespoke color schemes, embroidery, and finishes that reflect their personal style. Advanced tech features include a fully digital instrument cluster, a custom Bugatti infotainment system with seamless smartphone integration, and a 3D surround sound system designed to deliver crystal-clear audio even at high speeds. Safety and driver assistance have also been brought into the modern era with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision, and a sophisticated sensor suite that monitors everything from tire pressure to road conditions, ensuring that even at extreme speeds, the driver has full control and peace of mind. Sustainability is a surprising yet important focus for the 2026 Veyron. While it remains a hypercar with a powerful internal combustion engine, Bugatti has incorporated mild hybrid technology to reduce emissions and improve fuel economy during city driving and cruising. This hybrid system provides an additional electric boost for improved responsiveness and helps meet the stricter Canadian emissions regulations. The production of the 2026 Bugatti Veyron is limited to just 150 units worldwide, making it an ultra-exclusive collector's item. Pricing is expected to start in the range of $3.5 million USD, reflecting not only the engineering marvel it represents but also its status as a symbol of automotive excellence and prestige. For Canadian buyers, Bugatti has made sure that this model complies with local regulations and environmental standards, while also offering specialized servicing and support through a newly expanded network of Bugatti dealerships across major cities like Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal. The 2026 Bugatti Veyron also embraces the digital era with exclusive ownership perks such as a dedicated app that allows real-time telemetry tracking, remote diagnostics, and over-the-air software updates. Owners can even connect with Bugatti's elite driving events around the world, from track days to luxury road tours, making the ownership experience truly unique. From a historical perspective, the Bugatti Veyron has always been more than just a car. It's a legend that has pushed the boundaries of what is possible in automotive engineering. The 2026 version honors this heritage while boldly stepping into the future, combining blistering speed, technological innovation, and artisanal craftsmanship in a package that few will ever experience but many will dream about. In summary, the 2026 Bugatti Veyron for the Canadian market is a masterpiece of speed, luxury, and innovation. It's a hypercar that challenges the limits of performance while offering an unparalleled driving experience wrapped in opulence and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a car enthusiast, collector, or simply fascinated by automotive engineering, the new Veyron is a stunning reminder of what passion and precision can achieve. That wraps up our detailed overview of the 2026 Bugatti Veyron. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more content about the world's most exciting cars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. This is Auto Insight, bringing you closer to the cars you love, one video at a time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.